My name is Chris Martin. I'm the physics teacher and robotics coach at the Shenandoah Valley Governor's School. First Robotics Competition is an international event in which students have only 6 weeks to design, construct, and program a robot to compete in a game that changes annually. So all of our meetings take place at the Governor's School in Fishersville, but we do occasional outreach events. This past year we sold concessions and brought our robot in to display for the first LEGO League tournament, doing a bit of outreach for middle schools that way. And we have a few other fundraising events around Stanton, Waynesboro, and Augusta County. With the SVTC funds, we were able to buy a lot of parts for our robot that we wouldn't have otherwise been able to afford. Particularly, we got a big set of fittings for our pneumatics kit. And we were able to get pneumatics running on our robot for the first time in the team's history. So that's dollars and cents wise what you're going into supporting is mainly the actual material for the robot. But beyond that, without that, we're not able to provide this authentic experience for the students. Once we got pneumatics working, the very first time we set up a trial and it worked the way it should, we had a student whose face lit up and yelled, "Yes!" After the competition, we had a student tell me that this was the best field trip she had ever been on. And another student told me he was now interested in engineering and specifically robotics as a career field in the future. So while your dollars and cents are going towards those materials, what you're really supporting is an investment for the future and a sense of excitement that students often don't get from school that they're bringing to this robotics program. Well, we serve students from Stanton City, Waynesboro City, and Augusta County Public Schools. Anyone who's interested in coming to the Shenandoah Valley Governor's School is eligible to be on the team. But beyond that, we find that we've made an impact, honestly, worldwide. At last year's competition, we met a team from the Netherlands and collaborated a lot. They shared some expertise and we helped each other with our robots and made lifelong friends that way. We still are in contact and are looking forward to working with them over a longer distance, but throughout this next build season. So it is a worldwide community, to be sure. Our specific team is focused around Augusta County students. We never turn away mentors. You even don't need any sort of robotics experience to do it. When I came in, I just finished up my second year, and when I started as coach, I had just about no robotics experience. So if you know how to bolt one piece of metal to another piece of metal, we have a place for you. Even if you don't and you want to just come learn some skills along the way, then the more the merrier, honestly. They can get in contact with me. My email address is martin, M-A-R-T-I-N, at svgs.k12.va.us, or they can visit our website, which is svgsrobotics.wix.com/svgsrobotics. We also have a Facebook page that my students are currently developing, but it will be called the Shenandoah Valley Governor's School First Robotics Team 3361, which is our assigned team number. Just want to take the time to thank SVTC and all the other area businesses and organizations that have been so generous with either manpower or financial contributions or both, or publicity. It's really what's going to keep this team alive. And so, thank you.